Diesel is making a comeback. Sounds weird at a time when electric and hybrid vehicles are making headlines, right? Well, the latest drivetrain and exhaust cleaning technologies have made diesel engines a more viable option. They offer plenty of torque for towing and often return impressive fuel economy ratings. In this video, we will show you the top 5 diesel pickup trucks in the market. Number 5. Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. Ram has the most significant expertise in the light-duty diesel sector, having offered the EcoDiesel as a 1500 option since 2014. That experience shines through with class-leading torque of 480 pound-feet, 260 horsepower, and fuel economy figures of 33 highway and 23 miles per gallon city, both of which are excellent enough for first place. Ram equips the EcoDiesel with an 8-speed transmission as standard. Trim levels for the Ram 1500 include Tradesman, HFE, Bighorn, Lone Star, Laramie, Rebel, Longhorn, and Limited. The Ram 1500 seats 6 passengers, a foldable rear bench seat, and synthetic leather and fabric upholstery. There are options for genuine leather upholstery, 8-way power adjustable front seats, heated and ventilated front and back seats, and a heated steering wheel. Push-button start, a rear-view camera, a 5-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, USB connections, 6-speaker audio, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are all standard amenities in the Ram 1500. A sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, an 8.4-inch or 12-inch touchscreen, 3 premium audio systems, satellite radio, HD radio, navigation, additional USB ports, wireless device charging, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are all available options. The Uconnect infotainment system performs admirably. A head-up display, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, lane assist, a surround view parking camera system, rear cross-traffic alert, front and back parking sensors, automatic high beam headlights, and parallel and perpendicular park assist are among the available active safety features. Prices for all standards begin at $32,795. Number 4. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x2. Because the Silverado was entirely revamped for 2019, revisions for 2021 are anticipated to be minor. Chevy is yet to make an official reveal, but we certainly know there will be some packaging modifications across the various trim levels. The 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 comes in regular cab, double cab, and crew cab body types, 3 bed lengths, and 2 front seating configurations. The trim levels are as follows: Work Truck, Custom, Custom Trail Boss, LT, RST, LT Trail Boss, LTZ, and High Country. The 4.3-liter V6 with 285 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of torque is only available with a 6-speed automatic transmission, whereas the 5.3-liter V8 can be mated with either an 8-speed, 6-speed, or 10-speed automatic transmission depending on the configuration. Suppose you choose the 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 310 horsepower and 348 pound-feet of torque. It will be paired with an automatic transmission with 8 gears. The 6.2-liter V8, which produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, is only available with a 10-speed automatic transmission, as is the 3-liter turbo diesel inline 6, making 277 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. However, in-cab technology is competitive. The 7-inch touchscreen is indeed modest, but it's user-friendly and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Buyers can upgrade to an 8-inch monitor with navigation, but that is still modest compared to the massive displays offered by Ford and Ram. Wireless smartphone connectivity is also available, which is a fantastic convenience, as is wireless smartphone charging. Prices start at $32,000. Number 3. Chevrolet Silverado 2500 and 3500 Heavy Duty. The Silverado 2500 HD and 3500 HD comes standard with a 6.6-liter V8 engine that produces 401 horsepower, 464 pound-feet of torque, and is mated to a 6-speed automated transmission and a Duramax diesel 6.6-liter V8. It has 910 pound-feet of torque and 445 horsepower, which is now mated to an Allison 10-speed automatic transmission. These engines can be used with rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and each is compatible with a single or twin rear-wheel axle. Its massive power and the transmission's quick reflexes added an extra sense of assurance and security. The Silverado Heavy Duty can tow up to 17,400 pounds when fueled by gas and 36,000 pounds when propelled by diesel. The Chevy's Crew Cab, a short box configuration, has a longer wheelbase than the previous model, allowing more passenger room. The Silverado's cabin and features go above and beyond ordinary truck luxury. Heated steering wheel, heated ventilated front seats, heated back seats, a head-up display, and other features. The Chevy has a plethora of internal cubby storage, highlighted by a massive center console bin. Every Silverado HD comes equipped with a touchscreen that supports Chevy's Infotainment 3 software, which standard incorporates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It has a volume, tuning knob, physical buttons, and voice instructions to support the touch-sensitive display. There's also a larger 8-inch touchscreen with a 7-speaker Bose audio system, more power ports, Sirius XM satellite radio, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and wireless charging. Its infotainment system also enables customers to save different trailer profiles for monitoring maintenance and controlling trailer operations via a smartphone app. Every model is equipped with a variety of driver assistance technologies. Its price starts at $36,995. Number 2. Ford Super Duty F-250 and F-350. The F-250 and F-350 are equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 385 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque as standard. While a 6-speed automatic transmission is standard, most Super Duties have a 10-speed automatic transmission. All powertrains are available with either rear or four-wheel drive, and all versions are available with more powerful engine options. The gas-fed 7.3-liter V8 generates 430 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, while the massive Power-Stroke diesel 6.7-liter V8 generates 475 horsepower and a whopping 1050 pound-feet of torque. The Super Duty also comes with an off-road option called Tremor, which includes a lift kit, beefier tires, and other trail-ready upgrades. The maximum towing and payload capacities of the Super Duty are extensive. The most powerful Super Duty can tow a 7,850 pound payload, pull up to 24,200 pounds with a conventional trailer hitch, and tow a massive 37,000 pounds with a fifth wheel and gooseneck hitch. The 6.2-liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission is still standard on F-250 models, and the last one we tested got 15 miles per gallon on the interstate. In the same test, the gas-powered Chevy Silverado 2500 HD returned 14 miles per gallon. It adds a leather-trimmed interior and exclusive features like ambient lighting, heated and cooled front seats, and wireless charging. Base XL models include a non-touch display for their infotainment systems as standard. The XLT comes standard with an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. It can also be outfitted with a B&O system and Sirius XM satellite radio. The lineup includes a 12-inch touchscreen with Sync 4 software and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Starting price is $36,645. Number 1. Ram 3500 Heavy Duty. The standard engine in all variants is a 410 horsepower, 6.4-liter V8 with 429 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a fantastic 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the only engine and information available in the Power Wagon, which is only available in four-wheel drive. The diesel is offered in two variants. The first produces 370 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque, and is available in 2500 and 3500 variants. The 400 horsepower high output variant, available only on the 3500, produces an astonishing 1075 pound-feet of torque. The engines are mated to torque converters with 6 speeds, but its diesel competitors all have more modern 10-speed transmissions. The Cummins engine weighs 1,060 pounds, which is 490 pounds more than the V8. A Ram 3500 with a Cummins high-output engine and 1,000 pound-feet of torque has a towing capacity of 37,100 pounds with a maximum payload of 7,680 pounds. The more famous 2500 4x4 crew cab model has a whole load of 2,380 pounds and a total trailer weight rating of 19,010 pounds when fitted with that engine. There are 3 cab options: a single cab, a capacious 4-door crew cab, and a substantial mega cab. The design of the cabin also includes functional controls and a plethora of interior cubby storage. It can accommodate a laptop with a 15-inch screen in its tiered center console. It has a large and well-placed 8-inch touchscreen. Ram also provides a massive 12-inch reconfigurable touchscreen, the largest class, which gives the truck's cabin a high-tech look and feel. The system also includes navigation, a Wi-Fi hotspot with a subscription, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior of the truck has 5 USB ports and up to 3 115-volt outlets for your devices. For a starting price of $37,120, this truck beats our imagination. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out these videos shown on your screen right now.